Hello everyone, welcome back to The Healthy Human. Today is another Tip Tuesday. Today's tip is to soak your dates before using them in cooking. Now this is kind of a random one and I'm not sure if this is common knowledge or not, but I kind of discovered it myself. So I just buy the dates from Woolworths. They just come in the packet, just the Woolworths brand, and I think they're a lot drier than the rather large date that you kind of see. So maybe that's why it's easier to soak them beforehand. But anyway, I kind of discovered this after I was cooking my Weet-Bix slice. Now the recipe does not say to soak your dates beforehand, but it does say to add water if the mixture's too dry. So initially I started, why don't I just soak the dates before, and that'll save me adding water at the end and maybe it getting too watery and not liking the texture. So what you do is you put your dates into a bowl, you soak them in hot water for 5 minutes or while you're getting the rest of your ingredients ready. And I just find the mixture just comes together so much better. Yeah, it just combines everything. It's a lot smoother, a lot easier to work with. So yeah, that's my tip for today. I think it does depend on the kind of date you're using, but I am talking about the ones that you get from Woolworths and they're kind of dry. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this tip. Please let me know in the comments if this is new to you or if you had no idea like me. Yeah, please like, comment and subscribe. I will be doing more Tip Tuesdays. Let me know if you like them and I'll see you next time.